Well, I was waiting. When you ripped up. Oh, look. That's my camera quick. Look, it's Derek.
Hi.
Hi, Derek. And now we can hear James's new car from like 6 kilometers away. Fuck this wind, honestly. Oh, look, it's blue. Is that a Wagon? James has joined the Wagon fam. Doing it right. Get your ass in here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, go on. Alright. Go park. Hey, park in there. In there. We need to take that off. Hey, mate. Hey, oh, no, I don't want my leg. You have your leg. Fuck. Stop. Fuck. You have it. Ah, fuck you. Well, you're leaking, bro. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh.
Hello, how are we?
G'day, mate.
Long time no see. How are we?
Sounds bright.
Yeah.
What's going on, beautiful? Good to see you. This new rig.
Tell you what, we listen to some Wagons on the
That's flash mode, this one. Good rig. Not bad.
Not bad, good size.
Not bad. Good size.
James.
Oh, James. Dari, James. Tyler, Dari, Tyler.
Yeah, he's having a dory. Yes.
So we want to put exhaust on things.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got for us today. Whoa. Oh, lots of boxes. What's in? Oh, don't tell them. We'll unbox those later. Do you want to see something pretty first? You want to see more?
Is it me?
Can't see my wheels. It is in the box.
It's in the box.
Oh!
Okay, I'm going home now.
Bye.
I'll be home next year. I'll be white marks all over.
I do. I really like him. That's me.
Yeah, that's the only shit thing is Australia Post fucked up. My adapters aren't here, so
Yeah, you were saying
I
that.
can't put them on today.
That's a big set.
These 5x114.
Aren't they Josh's old wheels?
They're my old wheels.
Oh, yep. Roger.
Oh, so they are 5x100.
Oh, come
Oh, bubble wrap.
There's so much wrapping.
Just chuck her over there. Oof. Muffler.
Hello.
Oh, that's actually fun.
Rewrite your phone case.
Not just good at breaking cars, mate. Break everything.
Huh? So what'd you buy, Jay?
An exhaust with shitty welds. Quinlan Price, we need a hand.
Oh, no. Well, these ones aren't too bad.
No, because that's what the ones that you see.
Yeah, those are the ones you see.
So they're nice and
Yeah,
pretty.
show us your hot dog. Show us.
Yeah, nice.
I'm pretty sure.
Better.
Hold on, no, go back a bit. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah, so
That's because it's MIG welded.
a little bit left over.
That's MIG in this.
Delicious.
Why did I do that? Just take all of it, you stupid fuck.
Kyle, the creator out here. He's finally put all of his exhaust stuff inside, so now we've got that done. We're going to try and jack up the lib wagon, but main problem is what, Dory? It's too damn low. James, why'd you lower your car the other day?
It's never too low.
Never too low, you reckon? So what we're going to do now is we're just going to jack up the wagon. I'm going to have to do it side by side because we can't do it from the rear. Can't do it from the front. So we'll do it bit by bit, and then once we've done that, we'll start pulling the exhaust out, and then we can put it in. First impressions, James. What's going on here?
Have you got any safety glasses? Because we're gonna get shit in our eyes.
Yeah, I got glasses, so.
Yeah, good.
You know, it's gonna suck doing those front ones.
Nah.
Look at that.
Oh, look, it's just flaking. It's flaking.
Where did this,
Fucking Jesus.
where did this cunt take it? Somebody get me a wire brush.
He said, get him a wire brush.
Like, fuck me.
Look, I'd rather
This is
not.
what happens when you
Oh.
buy cars from City.
No, this is what happens when you buy cars off P-platers.
Look, he's probably just rally spec'd it. It's fine, bro.
Oh, no, it's never been off-road. I don't know what you're talking about. Old mate.
I love it how there's just fucking also just one bolt missing off this. Yeah, it just makes it more throatier, you know?
Yep. And, washers. Washers.
Yeah, if you space it, man, it fucking...
Oh, what's this?
Oh, we found something
Oh,
else.
a zip tie.
Oh,
What the fuck is the zip tie for?
I think it's for your bun. I don't know. Keep it there just in case it all comes falling down.
Oh, I've got to leave some P-plater spec. Oh, look, it gets even better, ready?
Oh, the hanger? Oh, great.
So,
Oh,
install done.
excellent. The fact that there's one bolt holding that in as well.
Yeah, it's fucking fantastic. I love it.
All right, let's get her out then.
Can I have, I'd say, a 16 and a 16?
Yeah, done.
If you got them.
Yeah.
18. I'm gonna run Townsville.
Like my nut.
You know where all the influences going to go?
Where am I going to get my influencer status, bro?
That's gonna go to that.
We're gonna get the bolt out first.
Ew, fucking, you do that. Oh, that was my finger. You good?
Yep.
Do you want to go up that and get the hanger in?
Oh, finally.
Oh, what is that cooked bullshit? What the fuck?
What if we found?
The fucking hanger's curved, cunt.
What?
The hanger is curved.
What do you mean it's curved?
Can you see or not really?
I can't see.
I feel like. You don't hear those old bolts out there, Tyler? One that someone did.
Oh, look at all the dirt. No, stop. It's going my way. Oh, it's melted the paint. Stop. Yeah, what? Sorry, I was... Oh, yep.
Wait, there's so much more in there.
That's fucked.
Look at it, just.
I think you got a bit of
Holy
dirty.
fuck! Look at the man over here. We can do that one after too. Can you give me the muffler now?
There's fucking more.
No, that's wrong.
Just gonna make the video title. There's fucking more.
So, when are you gonna work on the Subaru?
When Benjamin's fixed and I have money to do it. When Benjamin stops speaking to me to spend more money on him and spend money on crowns instead.
So never.
Probably like end of this year.
Hi, Dan.
I can only get so
True.
True. True.
True.
True. You have to lap. Just go around the block. Doing it slides.
Yeah.
I could put those in my wagon, I'll be happy. That's what I should do. Limp front end conversion on the wagon.
got a nice sound to it, it just needs to be noisier. I mean, that's just my preference because my car's like got no cat and exhaust and it's basically straight pipe, so.
So we think it should be louder, even though.
Yeah, but we'll fix that.
For what it is anyway, it should be louder. You might fucking check out Benjamin.
Benjamin. You got a nice little tracking rattle there. Verdict, James, what do we think? It's too quiet. It's too quiet. Yeah. We need to change that.
Yeah, you are right. Needs headers.
Hold on, just fucking. Don't move, James.
It's actually a pretty good fucking photo.
Actually nice. This like the lighting's actually quite nice on that. One wagon, two wagon.
Guess who's buying a wagon next? Me! When I fix my own car.
Exhaust done. I didn't get around to work on my car today, but I'll do that soon, but nonetheless. Thank you very, very much for watching as usual. Wouldn't have without you guys. So, what do we do when we're finished, done watching a video, James? What do we do? Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
yeah, that stuff. See you next time.
Laugh.